Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I'm teacher Wani. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will learn about animal with their home. Before that, I want you take out your worksheet. Okay class, are you ready? Okay, let's go.
First, we have a bee. A bee. And then we have a bird. A bird. Next, we have a frog. A frog. The next animal is a dog. A dog. The last one, we have a hen. A hen. After that, we have to pair them with their home. The first one is chicken nest. Chicken nest. And then we have bird nest. Bird nest. The next one, we have kennel. Kennel. The fourth one is beehive. Beehive. And the last one, we have the pond. The pond.
The next task that we are going to do is to cut all of the pictures. Okay, we are done, and then we are going to match the animals and their homes.
Now, look at your worksheet and let's match them together. Okay, the first one is hen lives in chicken nest. The frog lives in the pond. The pond. The dog's home is known as kennel. Kennel. Bird live in bird nest. Bird nest. Well done! We have matched all the animals with their homes. And now we are going to paste it on the worksheet. Good job! Now let's revise. The first one is hen lives in chicken nest. The frog lives in the pond. The bee lives in the beehive. The dog lives in the kennel. And finally, the bird lives in the bird nest. Very good!
Okay class, I hope you enjoy. See you next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.